Hey everybody, it's Amber back with another packet tracer video. We're going to be going over packet tracer 5.3.3.3, which is exploring iOS and showing some of the commands. So it's a pretty basic one, almost a follow-up to 5.3.2.5, which was the previous one, taking a look at the Cisco iOS and the CLI. So we'll go ahead and get started. And we're going to open up here. Oops. Well, that's just telling us we need to go in a different way. So we'll go ahead and we'll go over here, go into the desktop, and go into the terminal. That'll just take us in from the PC instead of from the router itself. And then we're just going to kind of explore here. I'll see here, ISP, I just typed in up so that we can show here what's going on. We're going to show. Oh, I got to enter the show. Oh, there we go, show. I was typing in the wrong thing here. Show ARP. So, this just shows you, we've got the internet here, address 209.165.201.1. Doesn't give us any additional here. It gives you your hardware address, and then your fast, shows you the interface here, fast Ethernet. And then if we want to go in, we can show the flash. And you'll see here file length, the bytes used, how many bytes you have available, your total bytes. And then right here, it'll show you the processor board that's in that particular router. So it kind of gives you a little basic information about the flash memory on the router, excuse me. Then we can go in and show IP route. Okay, so this kind of gives you more in-depth. This tells you what each abbreviation would mean. C would mean connected, S is static, and as you can see here, right here, 209.165.201.0/27 is subnetted with one subnet, and it says here that it's directly connected. And then here's your C, as you can see up here, connected, shows you additional information. So it kind of helps guide you if you're not familiar with what the system is trying to show you. And then we can kind of go in here. There's a few more commands. Show INT. This is going to show you the internet. Fast Ethernet is up and connected. And then you can see here the internet address. You've got your MTU encapsulation. And this kind of just goes through, I mean, there's a whole lot of information here. Your packets, if you were to send a ping or a tracer out. Then we can show protocols. And it shows here your internet protocol routing is enabled. Show users. Show version, that's what we wanted. Show version. There we go. This is going to show you all of the information for this particular. You'll see ROM system bootstrap version 2.3. It gives you their copyright. Up here you can see the version again. 1841 software, because that's the router that we're working with. And it just kind of gives you some basic information about their proprietary. It's copyrighted, so you can't copy the information. And then you'll see here gives their address and things like that. So that's just kind of some basic commands that you can use to show things on the router through the terminal itself and not directly on the router itself. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day.